in the third quarter. Ferrer. Leading number 28 over to number 8. Back to number 28 to Ferrer. Ferrer over to Tagle. Saka sa Chico. Long. Rebound across. Leading number 1 to Fernando. Over to Junior. Joel. Over to Mercedes. Tries to Chico. Short. Last touch on the White. That's 12 seconds in the third. Last touch on the White. Makes his move. Ferrer shoots.
Wala pa rin, walang malalaglag dyan. Pasok na yun sa semis yung dalawa.
Itong dalawa na. Ba't ganyan pa sila kainin?
Ewan ko sa mga yun. Yung mga first game, yun yung laglag na.
First try is good. Wala na pong oras.
Ilan lamang ng ano kanina? Ryan?
Wala rin lamang. Basta laglag na yung first game.
Naglag yung dalawa kanina.
Wala namang, pati yung laro ni mamaya, wala rin counted yun.
Last free throw by...
Uy na ako!
Oo, pwede na kayo umuwi.
Papawis lang. Wala na nag-isa.
Papawis lang naman ni Jane.
Laman na naman ang Team Black.
Ha?
Ulitin po natin, laro lang ang to, wala namang pustahan.
Semis, tatlong referee tayo, tatlo.
Back to the hockey.
Wala namang makukuha dyan eh. Batalo manalo, wala pa rin magbabago sa scale dyan niya. Ilayan na yun. Standing. Physical, hinilan niya kasi. Langit naman, hinila eh. Alam naman, mga ano pa rin eh. Mga palabang pa rin eh.
Start of the fourth and final quarter. So let's play lead. Jose to start. Binigay ng Balado. Binigay ng Agaw. Binigay ng Lauzon. Lauzon. Lays up. Wet. White ball. Oh, Black. Sorry. Official score 56-52. 4-point deficit for White. Jose. Quickly to Regalado. 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 Shoot. Regalado. Nakuha ni Jose. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Walang touch. Bigay kay Jose. Jose drives. Shoots. Long. Rebounding for Jose. White ball. Last touch on Black. Fangason shoots a 3. Wala. Way off the mark. Is number 28. Jose. Nagmamadali. Si Jose. Jose wala. Jose. Over to Manata. Shoot. Wala. Rebound. Gia. Number 2. Gia. Muscles his way. Wala. Gets his own miss. But that is good for Gia. Muscle man shot for number 2 by Gia. Jose. Just a 2-point lead. Ang hinahabol ng White. 54-56. Banatas. Out to Jose. Jose. Over to Banatas. Banatas tries another triple shot. 8 minutes and 10 in the fourth quarter. Dalawa na lang, palamangan ng Black. Lauzon. Lauzon. Binigay kay Fangason, back to Lauzon. Quickly to Tagle. Tagle fakes, drives baseline, raise up. Wala. Rebound Banatas. Over to Romero. Binigay kay Jose. Jose, nagpapili. Quickly to National, that's a fakes. Back pedal. Binigay kay Jose. Shots. Pops. Wala. Over the backboard. Turnover. Lauzon. Nagpapadali. Steps on the break. Waits for his teammates. Bigay tapo. Back to Lauzon. Lauzon. Foul on number 14. Only his first personal foul. First team foul. Lauzon. 10 seconds on the shot clock. The defense. Defense by Lauzon. Regalado. Shoots. Loses the handle. Takes for Romero. Contact for 2. Easy to point for Romero, the big guy. The counterpart, big guy. Taking foul, number 27. That's it. That is his second personal foul, second team foul. Blanco shoots, wala, rebound Regalado. Regalado waiting to Jose. Jose. Brings up. Blanco. 2-on-2 basketball. Dia brings up. Wala. Regalado with the board. Over to Jose. Jose. Pushing to the big board.
Oh, ano na? Kalma!
16 to 54, official score. Puro tayo drama. Ayan. Binigay kay Blanco. Substitution. Team Black. Official score, 16 to 54. Lamang ang Team Black by 6 points. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 54. Back to Bobby. Last 354 seconds remaining in our fourth and final quarter. Jose. Binigay kay Carl, number 10, over to number 11. Signals the play when attacked. Being hunted, kick out to. There was a foul caught by them. Number 11 goes on. Only his first personal. Goes on. First team foul. Moves handle. Jackson is good. Was a foul on number 8. That is the second personal foul, second team foul. Bonus free throw for Big Boy Romero. Trying to complete a three-point play. Offensive board. Nakalimutan. Regalado. Loses the handle. That is his third personal foul, third team foul. Regalado, bonus free throw. It's good. Completing the three-point play is Regalado, bringing the time 65 to 54. An 11-point lead for a team ball. Dion over to Lauzon. 5 minutes and 2 remaining in the fourth. That is his second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Official score 65 to 54. 11-point deficit for Team White. 4 and 55 for the fourth. to the ball game. Last 295 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. First try. Susubukan ke Jose. Second on the way. It's wrong. Breaking the charity. 1 out of 2. Lauzon now. Just Lauzon. Quickly to
Di kayo nagdadala ng mga asawa eh. Dala kayo ng mga asawa sa semis, sa Monday. Para may tagapalakpak.
Number 2 na Dia signals the way. Over to the net. Binigay sa ilan ng Espinosa. Number 8. Pushes a five. Number 27. Number 27, third personal foul. The third team foul. Espinosa baseline inbound. Espinosa. Quickly to Carl. Good defense by LeBron. Balagtas. Wala na pong timeout ng Team Bricks. Official tally natin, 66-54. Dapat po, 3 boy or 2 block.
Ang winner ng semis, final. Tapos yung iloser mo, trade. Wala na.
Walang trade.
Wala na trade.
Back to the ball game. This is just our second game, and up on the third game. Regalado, one pass. Sergis gets the ball. Sergis, back pedal to Joseo. 8 seconds to shoot, Balagtas shoots. Rebound, Tagle. Tagle with first teammate. Nakuha ni Tagle. Nakuha ni Tagle. Tagle shoots. Short. Romero with the ball. Romero over to Jose. Jose, Balagtas. All alone, short. Last touch on black. For Team White. Fight Gasson. Tries his left to through. Long. Rebound to Romero. Romero over to Regalado. Regalado number 6. Regalado. Slowing to Romero. For an easy layup. Number 16-54. Turnover. (68-54). 2:33. Balagtas. Balagtas. Sergis. White. Rebound. Technical foul on number 3, Pereira. Number 3 is complete. Okay na, meron kami score tayo. Making the tally 69-54, 15-point lead for Team Boy or Team Black. at 25 remaining in the fourth. Tagle. Nagtingin mo si Tagle. Signals the break. Takes the pass. Binigay ni Ferrer. Ferrer decides to shoot. Regalado, number 6. Over to Tatis. Shoot. Tatis. That is his third personal foul. Penalty. Romero, first try, is lost. Too much muscle behind for Romero. Second try for Romero. Long pa rin. 5 Gason. Over to Romero. Ferrer, binigyan ng Tatis. Binigyan kay Tagle. All alone from 3-point line. Jose. Binigyan ng Tatis for an easy three.
Take time.
Inakay natin ang ending. Number 2. Yung may taya sa ending, antayin natin ang final score. Jose. Shoots in and out. Rebound Ferrer. That's 75 seconds remaining. Ferrer shoots a 2-0 short now on the second try. Regalado in the ball, this is organizing the pass. Thinks. Out to Lemon. Napo Regalado. Palakas. Lock in and out. Rebound by the ball. Last shot flat. Last 14 seconds in the final quarter. Number 14. Binigay ni Tagle. Binigay sa ilalim ng Blanco. Just trying to make the score decent is Blanco, 62-71. Crossing the timeline is Jose.
Kasi, ubusin mo ng oras kaysa mag-aaway kayo.
Using the clock.
Kaysa mag-aaway kayo, ubusin mo ng oras.
Romero, wasting the time. Last 8 seconds.
Ubusin mo ng oras kaysa mag-aaway kayo dyan. Tira Mang Boy!
Final 14.6.
Sumasakit yung ulo ko sa inyo ah. Tira dyan.
Tira from the party lot. Wala. Jose, marami ang ibang dyan.
Tira Mang Boy, pang highlights.
Jose, from the party lot is Jose. Wala.